We don't talk since about matter when we say consign security and the rest. We talk amongst us when we say they for side studio. But now we got people there when we see the head sharp way for this kind of matter. When they talk to us, people there when we say they not deal with for side studio. When they let us know how they feel about the situation and waiting if we say we go do. For time when we say not, we know at that time right from time anyway. The matter there for north. The northern part of the country, so it happen for northeast, it happen for north central. You can hear say you can't come down from there. You can't come even for southwest. For not to the happen, don't enter southeast. And now what is south they do when we say to do the walk around? We go wait, make it be say reach here before we say we go do something. Or we go do reactive according to the people, or we go do proactive. We get people them here when we say they will talk to us for this matter because we know see their head sharp for the matter. They will tell us how they feel about it and what they need to do. That is we and the federal government. Osahan Obaraye Okoro, welcome to our program.
Thank you so much.
I greet you. Mr. Monday Osai-Gbavo, one-time commissioner for agriculture, local government, and many other positions there for Edo State, and you don't see so many men they won't be saying concern security. Sote, even in community area self, the devil record cases for that side or say what TBC they happen, and even the governor even follow, go in our community that time, go ask now question, say how the thing they happen for there. So you will get big hands for this whole matter. Oga Monday Osai-Gbavo, welcome to our program.
Well done.
I agree to you. Make we start like this. We don't say the attack on different formations there, different places there. It don't come from north, for that's time for start, it don't spread. From north, you enter north central, from there you don't enter southwest, before you know to that, you don't enter southeast. And south there now. Waiting you feel, say we need to do. We go wait, make it happen first before we go think, make we think of something we go do before say it happen.
I think we do many things because you know say never till where I come here with chairman of vigilante for one group.
Yeah.
So even that the man talks say vigilante for each of the villages or zone or whatever. What thing that they do be say that they ensure say those where they recruit for the vigilante. If you give him a gun or you give him anything to defend himself and defend the people, not be the one where he go use for another thing. So, you know, human beings will be for the security agency like police, SS, DSS to now talk say, Osai-Gbavo dey pure, make we give him this thing, you know, easy, and not be one day job. Well, be that as it may, you go see, say, during, I hear now they talk about during this 2020 Olympic just now, or festival.
National Sports Festival.
National Sports Festival. At least throughout the period, we thank God, say, nothing bad happened.
Okay.
And I'm very sure these are vigilante and our people itself do a lot of work. What you mean by people? Our own house to house. You know, when make we not see bad thing, thief for near my house. Me, I go say no concern me, not be my house they come.
And the next one you go give Thanksgiving.
Especially when those boys go say, Pastor, if I not come your house, you go say these people know me, you go just the fear. You not go even still now call police or call person like you, say, see what thing they happen or send test. So that is the first thing they beg our people say, make what they do. One person they talk to me just now, say, thief come in house. They talk say, when they come, they shout. Not be that much you go there. You see, true, you don't get gone. Something just strike him for man, he just take cutlass, take knock top of in fridge. Boah, say everybody run come out.
Okay.
Before you come out, come call the police, say, see what they happen. So if they go in room, therefore go every other room for that house.
Yeah.
So the first thing where we will do, like we talked that day, make me be vigilante. Make the next person be vigilante. So at those boys where we want put, or where would they put so, we go feel even control them.
Okay, no worry. I go come back to you because with that when we say you talk now, we go still expand down at the program. they go. In this now, if you look at now, attacks when we say they come now, especially for Owerri, for Imo State, they go prison. They free 1,844 prisoners. They go police station, burn the place, and they come out. Almost the same thing. It can't happen day before yesterday for Obiaja police, Obiaja prison. But at the end of the day, it no can't work out the way it be. But we yesterday broke part of the place for the back, for the women wing. The question be this: how come it can't be say these attacks when they come up now? It can't be say now all these kinds of things they meet, either they go police station or they go for prisons.
Definitely you know say they already know say that they now they are friend or brothers they. Their friend and brothers not go fit dey inside university they or it's either they church. It's either they prison or they police station. So I think they will go break. But I think the main thing we need to first dey happy about be say the truth no say me they not talk am. Since vigilante come for Edo, we don't virtually get peace. Some of us don't fit sleep with our 2 eyes closed.
Okay.
The issue of S-men issue when be the day rampart, either for bypass.
They don't reduce more.
It don't reduce. Before when be when they always dey breaking news, we dey hardly now also see them. So,
but yesterday they kidnapped somebody yesterday.
I say yeah, it don't reduce. Okay. Unlike before.
Not be saying no they happen.
No, you know if ever it happen for America. Okay. Not be but like before. So if it happen like that, he also goes to talk show say now good thing where governors other governors supposed to emulate and come up as a team. Citing the case of Amotekun for Southwest. If you also take
Ebubeagu for Southeast.
Yes, citing those cases, you go see I'm say before now this other issue if they happen for Southwest too, but then also they go down. And if we not spread South because it's never the South using Edo as a case study, so that what the other South government supposed to emulate come in one force, so that the borders now go feel secure. If Delta secure the boundary before Edo will secure own before Ondo secure before this. So those people will hardly get where they want pass from because these people, this criminal activity when they only do for up now within the land border. So if governors, everybody fit guide the next place, the next door neighbor, it go peaceful.
But the people when they say federal government they put hand to the point accusing finger at for the one will happen for Owerri. People when they say they inside, people when they say come from outside.
That not be how they talk now.
Not they talk to people when they inside.
I say citing Edo as a case study. Citing Edo as a case study. The truth must be told. There is virtually peace now in Edo. About a year or two ago, if I sit down where they sit down for a year, you will see small boys now. They're not the wear masks. They'll carry gun just the pass. And next year, they don't go shoot one person for back there. They'll walk up pass again. There's nobody they pursue. They were just
sure they go.
Yes, now nothing freely. But as we did now, for say we did just now, you go hardly want to see that kind issue now. Say even the court is in war when they use a human being count as if a Baba Ijebu that they play say 14-2, 21-1, and so this one day. Also, the truth must be told. It never happened.
But we don't say matter of court is not season nothing.
Yeah, season nothing.
So maybe not be the season we did now. Man, come to you, my brother. You see what you say you talk here now. You look and say, you say, when Amotekun could come, I talk and here with my brother just now. The commander for there, when we say they call, I think Adeyemi, when they come, they sit down, they say they don't drive all the people they went, they cause their wahala, say don't drive, they come out for the Southwest. They answer the question, say where it be say they can't go. Now when I drive, they go. They say they go Edo, they go Delta. Almost all the states they won't be say they call. And the states they won't be say they for South. You understand? They call Edo, they call Delta, and say some other states too. You understand what we say? They neighboring to that. I want to ask of us here now, if there is something like that, it's not they right make it be say the South side too. Now that's the question they ask you. Make we get our own outfit too. When we say all of us they inside, so we go free do because this one we say they talk about this vigilante own. Now people when we say just there for their own area. You understand? You talk that man just now, carry this thing, do your own kind of gun inside house. Everybody run. Everybody there for their area. Everybody secure your own self. We talk about regional security outfits. Where it be
well, like my brother talk, regional, like you also say, regional outfits not go come from upper. It go come from communities. It go come from streets. Now there you go take the people from. you know, will take the people from up.
That's what we talk. So,
So-
what are the governors?
So if
They do, because now what are they like? We have Delta, we have Edo, we have Akwa Ibom,
yes.
we have Rivers, we have Bayelsa, and the rest.
you know one thing, Akpololo, they're different from Osabovo.
Okay.
Before me and you and brother go agree, say, make we they call this group Akpololo. Now that you.
Okay.
So that one and one. Because I know say something like that.
Now
they
the
go
name
on.
we go dey drag. Now when we say people they die,
We can drag.
when people go dey die, they
We
go.
must drag waiting. You go here, me go here, John go here.
Go
That's why we dey speak pidgin for here now. So I make many people here. And so that one will agree. Me, I know say that one, they go on. Two, each state have to do their own vigilante first
Okay.
before you can't get name for all of them
Before
together.
you come together together.
Yes. So, me, I not believe say those where they drive for there, they come Edo or they come because if they come Edo, at least we for don't see more of criminality.
The time when this man
But
talk,
however,
the time when this man talk this state now, we constantly when they say they don't drive, they come out. Because they hear cases now before even
Okay,
the governor
then-
come your area.
then which
and the
means-
rest now when the business our all come and small now.
which
and if you come reduce
means
small,
government has tried as much as possible to ensure that they drove those people, they are here and they are not, maybe we have drive them again or they have on their own
come look at-
vanish or they now believe if they don't have peace within themselves, they cannot have peace here in Edo. It is true that
you bring the grammar come down.
first of all, make we just talk about this jailbreak where we dey talk just now. You know, say my brother talk just now, say their person in the prison, their person in the police station. And those where the police station, those where the prison, where they even they look after these people, if they don't get hands for this thing, you know the fit happen.
Like the prison water and the rest of
It
them.
not go fit happen. Make we talk true.
Okay.
Because this truth now be the first thing where it go help everybody. If I tell you now, say, I dey go farm. I dey go farm, now I tell you. You know, if you just tell me, say, bring the corn, because you know, say, this time not be corn season.
Yeah.
You not go tell me, say, bring yam, because this time not be yam season. But you know, say, now work, I want go work. So if person not dey this area, this is where they happen no go. That is where federal government should also, federal government, even yourself, myself, should also look at those type of people. Yahoo, they collect money from bank, they do everything. Most of them are graduates where they bank, this one they house, they go link each other together.
Okay, the kind of
If not, it not be computer not be magic.
Okay.
It not be magic at all. So, for me, our vigilante is doing their best. What is remaining, like you said, is for Delta and all other states in South
They come
to also have a joint vigilante. Like my brother said just now, if we police to our boundary and anything happen, those where they boundary, they quickly inform those where they the other side. Say, oh boy, see what thing they happen, oh,
We will sit up.
those one go know. So that is the
But again,
solution.
what one or two don't agree on now. Everybody get a gun. You see that man when they come in house, say, Adipo don't come, he no get gun to use. Abdul Salam Abubakar, the former head of state for this country, he talk and say over 6 million weapons they in the hands of people illegally. Over 6 million. And the ones that won't be say federal government get when they use, when they count, now about 300 or something thousand. Now the federal government get. All these vigilante when be say they get now they use, where they get their gun from? Who sanction the guns for them? Who buy them for them? Where they from the commands?
Well, first of all, the one where me know say most of the vigilante na hunters.
Okay.
That is
So they're hunting gun and they use.
Yes.
Okay, the same question
That one, no, wait. That one I want. Two.
Okay.
I'm aware for the past 4-5 years, police has not renewed gun license for anybody.
Okay.
That is not good. So if I have my own gun, I should bring it to you to renew. You have my data. You now know that I have a gun.
Okay.
Before you can tell people and say,
Why police give you gun now for hunting and for gaming?
yes,
I have for hunting and gaming. That doesn't make you
and to
protect yourself.
defend yourself.
They're not the right outpost, but if they get the license,
But
they say
if-
for hunting and for gaming.
Yes, but I should defend myself. I should not defend myself if I'm to hunt and do game.
Okay.
Game. If you attack me wrongly,
that game.
I go to game. Yes.
Okay.
So there is need for police to renew people's gun.
Okay.
So that you now know the one that is illegal and legal.
Okay.
You just start talking for air, say 1 million illegal guns,
6 million.
10 million legal guns. All those ones now air.
Okay, my brother, all these people now, where are they getting their friends? Say question we say ask, now they ask you.
Yeah, I think now waiting person no. Just like as I enter here now. I mean, if you talk waiting day inside here if I come out.
Okay.
I get it now. Somebody when me come when they outside, don't go fit talk.
No.
So telling me where they get their gun, I'm not a member of vigilante.
Okay.
Though they are my friends, but
you have some of them that are friends.
Yeah, so many of them. So, but what I also want guy about say some of the gun with me they sit down before hunting. Okay. Because some all those Siva, AK, 47, I mean 14. Now those are not
some like pop action.
Pop action. Those are not before hunting. Now double barrel that the my papa get.
Okay.
That be for hunting when they
long.
long.
Remember say your father now hunter that year.
When they long. So the one when they see then they see when they find go find some go get too much. Those are not before hunting. So maybe to say if I join them later, I will come know where they get them. I cannot say that. But I think. The thing when they happen too when some of us they come here because they complain. I don't they see them in them. Okay. Before they see this this intimidating tendency for their body. This I don't who go matter for their body. But now the truth must be told. I don't also see that so that they don't
humble.
They don't humble. Maybe they don't hear say some of us they talk up. Yes, because when I see yesterday I stand for Sapler Road for High Court go do swap David, yes. Yeah. And some small boys carry bag, stand, about 4-6 of them. Within a jiffy, bus just come down, vigilante just come and back. The ones who know me greet me outside, they leave me because me hold paper.
Me at the back for your hand.
They don't see back. They can't go meet those boys. And they watch them. I want to see what they could do. They open the zip, not in there. Open this one, not in there. The boys also correspond. Because truly, when you see 4 small boys or 6 on a carry bag, now wear school uniform. So they do, and the next thing they come out. To me, my mind sweet me because it was those boys carry gun, me myself be not safe. Okay. Something for first. So it goes to show, say, if government also want legalize this thing, make they do away. What me also like, make we talk, but we know the buttress now be say, the governors of South are lacking. They should not play politics with this type of collective security. Because I also let you know now, say, when me go visit them when they vigilante just to hear first-hand information for their hand for museum, these people not get office chair to sit down. And some people
don't get where they operate from.
No, they just na rubber chair.
They don't get where they operate from.
No, and you say these people they take care of lives and property. Okay. So when man they hungry, you know if he take care of life and property.
That reminds me, my brother Saibovo Monday, former commissioner. I did travel one time at the Akoko Edo sides. I see some vigilante they sit there. One of them, I see and they not tell me. Say, bros, man, give me something. I tell you buy pure water because the sun they shine. Seriously, I see and there, he hold gun. You understand? I'm not feel like some people stop, gave what they get. Me I drive past. When they call the same person, I stand there. It shows that yes, these people are not being encouraged monetarily. And in case Mondo Sabovo passed first time, he passed again. You don't give her. Sado pass once, pass again. Okoro pass once, he come back. Nobody give her. That man don't be hungry. What do you feel? No, if you take that gun, one they take face person when they say they call say, I bet I want drink water. You not gonna give me water. What if that one don't talk to robbery?
Well, I go agree with you because the same thing also happened to me.
Okay.
I passed through vigilante checking point. The man said, okay, we dey here for you.
Even if they don't have to say give money, but they here for you.
I said, thank you very much.
Okay.
So we passed through the same place again when we were coming. The man also said, the same person among the group, say, okay, not leave us like that. So,
you don't live there like that?
No, I pass.
Okay.
I live there like that.
Okay.
So when I did now come back, the same man say, God, we never still come out. We still there for you.
Okay.
So I now come down. Say, don't leave us. So I now come down. Say, I don't need to leave you.
No, you.
I started hugging all of them.
Okay.
That's why after I we say, you want to just go like that? I said, yes, now. Any other thing. You say you did here for me.
Okay.
I cannot leave you alone. And that's why I come down.
How did they?
So it was then one of them now know me. I say, I pass above commissioner, hey, you not go just leave us alone. So I have to do something. What I'm trying to say is that, well, there are people like that, and we cannot rule out such
whether we like them or not, they are not being paid.
Therefore, they need to, again,
replenish themselves and
talk to, train and retrain, because somebody who is going to give you something will definitely give you, not you by asking.
The policeman,
when you even ask some people, they will not even give you because you ask.
The policeman when they for when they keep security, at the end of it all, they pay them at the end of the month.
Yes.
This man, they for inside the same sun, when the police, they rain go fall, go still beat the man there. Nobody is paying him, and the rest, they do it voluntarily. The guy to be say, go do, I beg, this work, you don't go fit car. Like when they talk that time, say, government, what don't they carry for head? I should have they put you, if it's too heavy, you throw one. That's why they talk that time. So this kind of man.
They will be paid when, I'm very sure, when everything is set.
Okay.
Like I said, there are even some people now who are even wearing shirts now, vigilante. And within themselves, they are the one now reporting, say, this person is vigilante. We don't know the place where you train, we don't know the place where you register, we don't know the place where you do this, you understand? So when those ones are out of it, I'm very sure nobody can say go and do anything, go and protect, go and do a job without saying,
before you engage
at least
somebody.
If not, the money may not be as big as you expect.
But just I think they push it.
It's like the police constabulary. You are still doing your work. If you are a farmer, you still go to your farm. You still go to your normal work. But the area that is assigned to you,
go make sure
immediately you see anything, inform your DPO.
The policeman.
And immediately anything happen and DPO look at the chart and said, oh, this is the man that is in that area. He will quickly also let the person know, say, see what thing they happen for your area. Find out and let us know whether with the report where we get now true or false.
Okay. The man when we say they be police when they pay money, the guy wait till they would reach self because say this work you know if it die put aside. Because some things when we say they happen. Like if you know what to be type of policemen, don't kill many policemen. When we say we carry Oga, they go for road, they go attack the Oga, they kidnap the Oga, come on, they'll kill the policeman. You know understand? Now what it don't happen well. If this man when they pay, the man they tire. What do you expect of the man when we say yes, they don't know they pay? Yeah. And vis-a-vis the fact say yes, all these governors, whether you like them or not, whether for south, southwest, southeast, northeast, all of the they are paying them. And then they get what you they call security vote at the end of the month.
I be one of my senior brother be talk put when he play and go left, play and go right. Okay. If you say na police, now ask when they go. Officer, when come back, when they go. You go one give police something.
Okay.
So now these people even need them pass.
The police?
No, this vigilante.
But they need that pass.
They need that pass with the police because the police get other benefits.
What they get?
God forbid that say policeman die. You go tell you, or if you not tell, but the family they expect something.
Okay.
God forbid that say vigilante die. Who the family want cry to?
No, God tell me say God forbid. It happen.
Yes,
it happen for one day.
No, I know.
That is now where you be say yes, say my brother sit down. So now then I be say Obama sit down. Napoleon. You talk and be say yes, they take kill the vigilante.
So now I want make people they talk to these people. What do you mean if they expect say the government don't supposed to do things? Most of over 40 vigilante members when me know. As former youth leader, so I know them say that they did this one. One of my boys, the one who helped me take off my goat for Lucky, now vigilante, he called me a few days ago, tell me, say, robbery attack for New Benin, somebody snaps person bag. The woman begin shout. Unknowing say the day vigilante there, that means.
That right.
And they pursue the person, go shoot am near UBA for upper mission, where they load permission motor. Now he can't tell me because you know say that one my papa area. That cutman say you take your time, that place not to go again. No. You already see somebody when you do good job, he don't fear. At the end, the money when they see them about 700,000. Say the woman can't give 115 and be 10,000.
Just appreciate them.
Just appreciate them because the woman don't feel say the money don't lost. So you see somebody, people want to do something, and these people now they don't get results. You just hosted Edo Festival 2020.
National
Festival Edo. When you see say there was peace.
Just like
yes, there was peace. And Now these people over you see we say we deploy over 10,000 security over this one security. Police when they believe 10,000. It don't be the vigilante when they take spice them up to say you did here, you did there, you did this. And even all these our boys when they go do bad, they don't need to fear police when they fear vigilante because they know that vigilante know them. So police we don't know.
Yeah.
They know say this person when they come so this one not be Abeka be this way. Abeka when they fuck up, not be this. So if Abeka go walk out
they use some ways, yeah.
yes, Abeka will come Shenko say I know Sado dey here and you know say Sado don't dey vigilante, you know me. So these people even if na 5,000, 10 just to show say wetin you dey do so we dey see am. If you do am well for 6 months, we go begin pay you money. E go ginger people to do work. Because it was said they know they give us results. I for mean for not support them.
Okay.
But since they give us positive results, now say some of us will be the where you just they snatch motor. They do this one. The thing don't minimize. Now plus to that governor when they enjoy your own security vote. So nothing stopping now to say, okay, if I be they bring 5 naira for my security vote to these people, make I find 50 kobo for my security vote. They give these people, make they get uniform, even if not uniform. Say state government, make I give them uniform. That one not go stop people. Taylor, help us one. Give them now. State government give you. It go show say they belong somewhere. The ID card be like people church pamphlet. When we say if we even beat themselves, you don't hear. So what even stop the state government to say okay, this one an authentic ID card, so that we will even know now. We not do verification. We could not say okay, Thomas Adon Ede Oluku. We could do this one. You know, see Papa talk just now say vigilante, no, they no vigilante again. So they're not going to even know how to pursue. So it goes to show, say, make government get better hands inside, so that the thing will make us get peace. Say, our taxpayers money get where they go. Government don't get hands inside this thing.
Okay. So
make government don't also use and play. If you say government take them more serious, I'm sure say the way Amotekun should be paid. Yes, you see, Wole Soyinka that they when they go now their uniform wear. For somebody like Wole Soyinka to wear their uniform, stand with them. It goes to show say the people go get they happy. Okay. They go one work well.
Okay, you see the regional one when we say we talk now, we say all these governors we can't join together now. If before you engage worker, you now one of the you now one person like say you don't work for person don't work for you before you go and engage the worker, say so do I make clear this part of this portion of this place to this point. Take this one. You know understand? We go agree, say that say it be. Why BCS will not go agree with people that when we say want to do something, they go down, they work, no worry, we go see, no worry. All the rules if a game was supposed to don't enter before we start. And if we want to look at a larger space now, the whole of the south region, when we say they put for this picture now, you know, they need to come out, put some money in place, all the people join it together, make we know how to take care of this. It will be a kind of way to encourage them.
First, these people are not just left out to say they not they get anything. Make we know that one. Okay. I was commissioner for local government and community affairs. Okay. So I know what the council chairman was doing about vigilante. Okay. Though not maybe every month salary that we are trying to say there should be monthly salary now.
No, I just say just encourage. I'm not talking monthly salary. They encourage me.
They were being at least.
They were being encouraged.
I know that they were being encouraged. Like what we were talking about just now, this gun for hunting. I know when they buy, they meet the DPO, they take the number, and they profile the person that the gun is being given to. I know of those ones. But like I said, the number is increasing. The number, they go up every day. And they are also doing profiling, which I know, because a week ago, my village about 8 of them came and said they want to join the vigilante, and that they have been part of the local vigilante, which the divisional police officer in the local government recognized them. And now somebody told them, immediately that DPO... Look at the
this grammar, we don't confuse me now.
Oh, sorry. When that DPO go don't come out, the next DPO not recognize them all. So they now came. And then I introduced them to the person that is in charge in the state. They go there, take their name, take their phone numbers, and all those stuff. So I'm sure, like I said, things are not always fast. it's like they're different from if na my business, bros business, or your personal business. This one a government, where you have all sorts of people, different people, good one, semi-good, bad one, make I talk like that, and so they need to select.
Now, because of say police not too strong now, or police can't get issue, the thing they overwhelm our security agents, them and all of that. Now, make them less we consider the need of all these vigilante people.
No, not so.
No, make
when we they grow up.
We did know. So
every village we get what we call Ode.
Okay.
Yes, both in the day and in the night. We they get Ode that time.
Okay.
So at the time, like I said, we just believe that it not going to concern me again.
Police go take police.
There was police that time. Just not going to concern me because I see bros build big house now for village. But it has come to everybody on now. It's not only your
Okay. So as we round up now, my brother, which word do we say you get for the South governance, especially when we say concern security outfits? Make we wait. The first question I ask, make we react, or make we be proactive.
React are proactive. Don't have big English.
Make it happen before we go take action. Take action before you take action.
We don't need to wait. Because if we say make we wait before we take action, we don't know who the bullets go hit.
Okay.
I get now, if you can go hit the person who want to take action. I think South do not supposed to get problems since now one party line is. So they're supposed to work on that line to see they fit get something when we make sure say there is final peace in South. So that other people go feel emulate them. Say South won't come. Even this one are most people when we also they enjoy the 13% derivation issue. So something there to spend small. And they decide things they decide when we say they feel put body. Now these people make sure say this thing when the truth must be told by. But you know say sometimes they about 2-3 months ago when they only feel pass bypass when they forgive that man, that big man when come from America when people come that is a command. But now I sure say people they pass there, nothing they happen. Me go out about 2 weeks ago and I say now fear be the fear I don't want to go. But when I go they go now the out when they talk say the road they be people when they go that I come tell me say you know say vigilante for road. So to me these people when just they do on that one they do. Police when me see for road when they go they will just sit down there. Not the vigilante they do something. They get where me reach for before we cross now. When one boy when no wear uniform just come meet me say give us money. I say who be you? He say go see soldier man for that side. Now soldier they work for. You not soldier man. He say no I be soldier boy. So it goes to show say they know that those people don't even take security serious. If soldier man yes, if soldier man go send boy when no wear uniform come meet somebody say go collect money from her. Make it go give he hold stick and stop. So then the vigilante day, hold gun, they check who they inside. But the police they look and say waiting they want. Yes, this one are waiting person see. So it goes to show say we are waiting we quickly supposed to encourage. Then comot the bad ones, screen the good ones. We don't see and say you not try. This one are pay off. 20,000 go and see no more. This one we see so when good. Make una start more begin pay una 7,000. If una do away with time, we go increase the money. I sure say that thing will also increase their morale. Go do am more. People go come and say my pikin come up for her. If lucky, my boy for a year, lucky my day they go. My man say wait pa, lucky wait pa. But it was say my man doesn't work. That lucky they go. He go talk say okay where we so it goes to show say make people begin their envy. Say oga house above join vigilante you know say ancestors join vigilante he don dey work he don dey fit come cook soup
he dey work before they fit dey cook soup
so he go ginger me to one join no be make I see say the life of person when me fair know so he go join vigilante he no dey fit sleep for night he no dey fit sleep for daytime just to give security when they don dey pay me no wan join now.
Okay, so before I go let you come out my brother the same question what do you feel say yes say the south governors they go do now?
First make them meet.
Okay.
I get one group as others be. So at least for, like we said, easy communication. So that if anything they happen for Edo, they will know the person where they will quick tell for Delta. They will know the person where they will quick tell for Ondo. And if it happen for Delta, the Delta man will know the person where they will quickly tell for Bayelsa like that. So that when these criminals they do what that they do, then people go quick know, and because they know say if that they do and everybody don't know, they go stop.
Thank you so much, my brother Monday Osagbo, for your contributions. Osahon Obara Okoro, thank you so much for NBC. You come, but one good thing be say, like Osahon talk, he said the people they won't be say they for South here. Now one political partner they're not supposed to get issue. Because I know they won't be say they for Southwest, they're for different political parties. Yet they feel come together. So even on the same papa born, so to speak, why we know if we come together. We will take a small break. We will come just and not go anywhere. The name of the program, Good Morning from Benin, and the from Independent Television. For anywhere we see they watch us for across the globe. Stay with us.